So, welcome back, children, to the part 2 of worksheet 4. In the last video, we have stopped at the editing section, that is section 3. Now, let us see from the question number 16 to 20. Read the following passage. Each of under numbered sentence from 16 to 20 has an error. So what is that? Numbered sentences. You have to look at the numbered sentence, and each numbered sentence has a grammatical mistake. You have to identify it and correct it and rewrite it in your answer book. So here the question number 16, the country mouse said the this what is we eat in the country. This what is we eat in the country. There is a mistake here. The mistake is the word order. Problem with the sentence is word order. What is word order? Word is jumbled. Some words, actual the sentence should be like this. The country mouse said, "This is what. This is and this what we eat. This what we eat in country. This is what." Yes, absolutely. Option D is the right answer. This is what we eat in the country. That should be the right answer. The country mouse did not enjoy his dinner at all. Here, the problem is with the verb. Verb is given in the past form, verb second form. When we are using did, it carries the verb one. That should be the rule in the past tense when we are creating the negative sentences. Here you can see did, after did, verb should be in the verb first form, in its first form. The town mouse did not enjoy his dinner at all. That should be the right answer, A. Now move on to the next one. He nibbled at the root and the sugar cane, and then said he wanted to sleep. So he nibbled at the root and the sugar cane, and then said he wanted to sleep. What should be the right answer here? He nibbled at the sugar cane and then said he wants to sleeping. What is the answer? He nibbled at the root and the sugar cane, and then said he said, where is, and said he wanted to sleep. Yes, C is the right answer. He is nibbled, wanted to sleep. To should be to infinity. To, it indicates a purpose. He wanted to sleep. Then the country mouse showed a corner on the mouse hole and said, "There you are. You can sleep there." Where is the problem with the sentence? The country mouse showed a corner at the mouse hole and said, "There you are. You can sleep there." Yes, or said, "There you are. You can sleep there." Or, "There you are. You can sleep there." The country mouse showed. Yeah, on the mouse hole. Here, the right answer is in the mouse hole. In the, that means B, right answer. Here the problem is with the preposition, not at, not on. It is in the mouse hole. It is the answer. Now section 4, home assignment, creative writing, that is discourse. Your question is, you are living in a village and you like to you like your village very much because of its natural resources like river, mountains, green crops, and fertile soil. Okay, you are, suppose you are living, you imagine yourself that you are living in a village, and you like very much your village because of its rivers, mountains, green crops, etc. etc. Now, describe your village at least in 10 sentences using the following words. Oh, now what you have to write? You have to write a description. Description should be used, yeah, and in the description, you must use uh, at least 10 sentences. And remember, while writing the description, you need to use more adjectives. Remember that and include these points: large mountains, green crops and tall trees, crystal clear water stream in the rivers, fishing and swimming in the lakes, like that. All these point should be included in your description, and description should be in 3 to 4 paragraphs. You divide description into 2 or 3 paragraphs at least. This question is meant for the homework assignment. The student has to take a paragraph to the answer, and post it in the WhatsApp to the teacher, or it can be written in the notebook and submitted to the teacher later. As we are maintaining the Google Classroom, it is better for you to post your answer in the Google Classroom. Right. I hope you have understood today's class. Right then, we will meet again in the next class. Till then, bye.